Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and yeah, I haven't made a video in a really long time, and I don't know, I just decided to come on here and kind of turn on the camera and kind of talk about where I've been and what's been going on in my life. And I sound really depressed, but I'm not. But yeah, I just thought I'd come on here and just kind of share where I've been and why I haven't made videos in a while, and yeah, just my thoughts on like moving forward. So if you were watching my videos before, you know that I used to live in Iowa, and now I live in Wisconsin. So I moved from Iowa to Wisconsin, and that probably happened at the beginning, when did that happen? March? It happened at the end of March. So we moved here, and because Zach got a new job, so he started his new job here, and then I was unemployed because I had to quit my job in Iowa and start looking for a job here once we moved here. So I was able to make videos, and I was like loving life because I was able to like make videos and concentrate on all that, but obviously that's not practical. So because this is really, for me, YouTube is just a hobby for me. I just enjoy it. Obviously, yeah, I couldn't continue doing this. I needed to get a job. So I did get a job, and my job at the time that I got, it's my current job. So I am an internet marketing specialist. My degree from Marquette was in marketing, so that I really like advertising, that whole thing. So they're like a marketing advertising agency. At first, when I first started, they are located about 45 minutes away from where we moved, so north and west, and so it was a long commute for me, and it took me a while to get adjusted to it, and but now they moved 10 miles closer, so I was helping them move and stuff like that. So I was busy doing that, and obviously going to work and getting adjusted and everything like that, and it's just really hard for me to balance making videos and editing. It's the editing part. It's not me just sitting here and doing all this. It's literally the editing part that like I cannot. My computer is slow, and if I had like a fast computer that was like whipping things out, and if it didn't take so long, I feel like I would be a lot, I don't know, I feel like I would make more videos a lot more. It's just like the editing and stuff that is just, it just drives me crazy. So it's just because my computer is slow. Yeah, so now I'm going to try to start and get going with videos again, just so I can like, because I'm kind of getting adjusted to my new job. But if you're wondering, that's where I was. And then, but then also where I was I got this eye cream in my BoxyCharm box, I want to say. I'll put it right here since I already threw it away. But I put it on and it started burning, and sometimes when I put an eye cream on it starts burning, but a lot of the times it like the burning sensation goes away. But this time it was really bad, and I kind of ignored it because I just assumed that it was gonna go away. But of course it didn't go away, and it really damaged my under eye area. So I've been talking with this piece of whatever on my face the whole time. It really damaged my under eye area, and for a little while right before that I had a sinus infection, so I thought that it had something to do with my sinuses, but it really didn't. So I went to a dermatologist, and she prescribed this cream, which is a hydrocortisone 2.5, I don't know, but oh my gosh, this like instantly saved my life. And I was being really stubborn too and didn't want to go get this filled, because literally the dermatologist came into my room, looked at my eyes for like 30 seconds and said it was this, and then she left, and I was just like, are you kidding me? Like, you didn't even ask me anything. Like, what? Like, I was so pissed. And so then I was like, no, I bet you she doesn't know what she's talking about, and blah blah blah. So then I didn't get the cream, but then it wasn't going away, so I got the cream and I took it away, so she knew what she was talking about. So yeah, but I was really self-conscious about my under eye area also, and I didn't want to come on here and make videos, especially makeup related videos, just because my under eyes were all dry and cracked, and just they were so bad, just so bad. I filmed a video before this talking about my bridesmaids boxes, so like boxes I used to ask my bridesmaids to be in my wedding, and maybe you can see it in that video. I haven't been able to post that yet because I literally over the weekend, so 2 days ago, I just finally asked my last girl to be my maid of honor. I just asked my maid of honor. It was so hard to see her. So finally that's done, so now I can post that. But anyways, that's also where I'm kind of going with this video. Sorry, I'm kind of rambling, but that's kind of also where I'm going in this video. Is also I felt very uninspired to make videos. Not that I wanted to quit YouTube or anything like that. I mean, that I can't quit YouTube doesn't even really pertain to me because I'm not making money off of YouTube. I'm just making YouTube for, I guess, myself. Oh, that's a little bit better. I guess for myself, and just, yeah, it's just like kind of like a nice outlet to kind of share what's going on with my life. And a lot previously was just very beauty related. And one of the issues that I had was I feel like with all my past videos, not that I liked making the videos that I created, but I felt like I had to create videos that other beauty vloggers and gurus were creating. And I get that. I get, like, you have to make popular videos if you want to get found, and you have to do celebrity looks, and trust me, I've done the research on how to grow your YouTube channel, and that's like #1. But then I kind of thought, like, I mean, yes, in a perfect world, this would be great if this would turn into something, but let's be realistic, and let's not, and I don't want to make videos that I'm not proud of or that I'm not crazy about to make, I guess, in a way. Like, I really love, like, a lot of my videos I really love making, but like, it's not like my #1 passion, I guess. Like, I have a lot of more passions, and like my wedding is coming up, and I definitely want to share a lot of that with you guys because I am doing a lot of DIYs. And so you'll see probably in my next video, I think I'm going to show you how I asked my bridesmaids to be in my wedding. So yes, so I feel like I'm rambling, but I will just continue going. So, but I also have a really love of cooking, and I'm trying to lose weight currently because of my wedding coming up. My wedding isn't until September of 2017, so I have a long while, only because we are really in no rush to get married. Me and Zach already live together. Our anniversary was last Thursday, and we've been together for 5 years. So it's like, it was kind of like, I want a wedding in the fall, and this September would have been way too soon for me. So I was like, we're gonna do fall 2017, and it is what it is because there's no point in rushing it. So yeah, but I do want to make a lot of videos like along the way showing like what I'm creating for my wedding and stuff like that. So I think that would be really exciting because I enjoy watching videos on YouTube that talk about weddings, and that's kind of what I'm kind of going towards. I kind of want to create videos that I actually enjoy watching on YouTube. Not that I don't enjoy makeup videos, like I love makeup videos, but I love really getting to know like the person a lot more. And so like I want you guys to get to know me a lot more because I felt like all my other videos were very impersonal. And yeah, and I just like, I like more personal videos than impersonal. So I don't know, I don't really have a good camera to vlog or anything, so I don't know if I'm gonna start vlogging or not, but I mean, I can try because I do love watching vlogs. I love watching people's vlogs and just getting to know them through the camera, I guess. But yeah, so that's kind of where my head has been at lately, and it's just, I've kind of just been in a rut. And yeah, but I think I will be back making videos, hopefully different kinds of videos, and hopefully you guys like that. I might lose some subscribers, but that's okay because at least I'm doing what I want to do instead, and not just putting up a video just to put up a video for whatever reason. I've been listening to this audiobook called You Are a Badass. I'll put the picture right here. If you're in need of like some inspiration and like some kind of motivation to just get your life back to what you want, and if you are just so unhappy with your life, and it's not just in your career the book relates to, it relates to all kinds of things. So like if you want to lose weight, if you want to be in a relationship, anything like that. The book kind of just empowers you to kind of do what you want to do, and it's all about the power of thinking and the law of attraction, kind of that kind of stuff. So it just really has kind of inspired me to kind of just do what I want to do and not really care about what other people think of me, because one of the other reasons why I don't really post that much on social media is because I always think to myself, like, who cares? You know what I mean? Like, who cares that I ate this for lunch, or like, who cares what I'm making for dinner or anything like that? But then you have to like think about it and be like, well, I care about what like Nicole Guerrero did over the weekend. Anyways, I don't know where I'm going with this, but I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys and just basically tell you where I've been and stuff like that, and what's been going on with me, I guess. So that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you guys so much for staying subscribed to me even though I haven't created a video. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm excited for things to come, hopefully. I will see you in my next video. Bye.